Good day. Welcome to our tutorial video on how to add user in SAP Business One. To add user, from the SAP Business One main menu, go to Administration, then Setup, then go to General, then click Users. The Users Setup window will open. You can use the Super User option to specify the user as a super user. The super user can access all windows and perform all functions in SAP Business One and can limit the authorizations of users that are not super users. In the user code field, specify a unique code of up to 8 characters with which the user logs onto SAP Business One. The code is case sensitive and, once saved, cannot be changed. In the username, specify a username of up to 155 characters. The name appears at the top of the main menu and is editable. In the defaults field, define default parameters, for example, address or printing information, for individual users or groups of users, such as the employees in a department. In the branch and department field, specify a user's branch and department. In the password field, if required, specify a password for the user. Regardless of whether a password has been defined, at the next logon, the user will be asked to change it. In the password never expires option, the user password does not expire, regardless of the password policy defined for the company. The user will never be requested to modify their password. Click Add. And it's done. Thank you and see you on our next tutorial.